Welcome to 2-Minute-ish Google Drive Tech Tips. I'm going to explain why you might use Google Drive to back up and sync all of your files. Okay, so I use Google Drive to safely back up all of my files to the cloud, and I also use what's called Google Drive Backup and Sync to sync all of my Google Drive between all of my computers and all of my devices, so I can open up a file on one of my two computers or my computer at home. I can edit it, and when I save it, it automatically syncs, and I can open it back up on like my school computer, and it will have all of the edits and stuff that I've made. And it doesn't matter what type of file it is, it automatically syncs. So if you use like a Word document and you're backing it up with Google Backup and Sync, when you update that Word document like at your home computer, then it will automatically be synced to your school computer. When you open it up at school, then all of your edits and such are in there. So you can access your Google Drive with your computer. So let me just show you real quick how that looks on my computer. So here in Finder, I have my Google Drive account here, or my folder, and I basically treat this as if it's my hard drive. And so I create folders in here, and I drag and drop every single thing that I do into this, what I would call my Google Drive folder. And then all of this stuff is backing up and updating. And it's kind of cool, it's actually backing up to Google Drive. So like, let's say I make a new folder here. I'm going to call it new folder. Okay, now if you look in my drive, so I'm going to go back to Google Chrome. So see how awesome this is and how it syncs. So if I go back to my drive, here's my drive in Google Chrome. Let me refresh it here real quick. And, oh, it's called Untitled right now. It didn't catch the title yet. Let me see if it's going to sync here once. Boom, see? It's called New Folder. And so that folder was added just from me doing some stuff on my computer. And so see how it's automatically syncing? And so that means it's now in the cloud. I can access it from anywhere I have my Google Backup and Sync connected, or anywhere I pull up my Google Drive on any device. Those items are there and they're updated. So I'm going to delete it here from my drive. And then if you look at my computer, oh look, it disappeared. Boom. So it's awesome how they communicate, basically, back up the Google Drive Backup and Sync with your computer. So I would just advise that you use, instead of you using your desktop, or like back in the old days where everyone stored everything on the Macintosh hard drive, or if you're storing everything onto like an external hard drive, I would suggest that you set up your Google Backup and Sync and treat this Google Drive folder then that you have created, treat this as if it's your hard drive, and make sure every single thing that you do and you want to be backed up and you want to save and sync and yada yada, make sure it gets put onto this folder right here. Alright, so if you want help setting that up, go ahead and follow the tutorial that I've given you via PDF, or you can ask me and I would be more than happy to come show you.